Hey guys, Mallory Blue back at you, and Roxy too. She's up under the blankets. Of course, I think y'all all know I spent Christmas Day in the hospital. I got home yesterday morning and I slept all day. You can't rest in them places. They come in about every 2 hours checking your blood pressure and temperature and all that crap. But I am sore all over, and I got a heck of a backache. And I didn't hit my head, but for some reason I have a headache too. But anyway, the MRI showed no deep tissue damage or anything, so I guess that's good. Yeah, I got to, I gotta get around. I need to do an unboxing video. I got some Happy Mail, and I haven't got Sandra's yet, but the mail is slow. We had all the Christmas holidays. Oh, but anyway, I'm home. I I hurt and I'm a little weak, but other than that, I'm alive. And, yeah, I got things I need to do. I'm so sore. Roxy jumps on me and it's like, ow! And my granddaughter is convinced that Roxy hates her. No, she just don't understand Roxy. And Roxy is a diva. She has separation anxiety. When I told her how to deal with that, I said, you go sleep in my bed and put her up there with you, and you won't have no problems. Well, she did. Well, Roxy has a thing. She, she'll tap you like a person would tap you, and she'll take their hand and tap you. She takes her paw and she'll tap you when she wants something. And if it's a treat, she'll bark at you. So Roxy got real miffed at her because she was tapping her, and my granddaughter didn't know why she was doing that. And she called the hospital. I said, she said, well, what do I do? I said, what do you mean, what do you do? She said, well, she's tapping me. And I said, now she's barking. I said, she wants something. I said, if she's barking, it's a treat. So she got her a treat. That ended that war for a little while. And yeah, she just misses me being here. She don't like it. I mean, she loves my granddaughter, but my granddaughter don't understand her little what those little taps mean and what little bark means. Yeah, Roxy's a diva though. She she does have a personality. She thinks she's the queen, which is her house. She can be queen if she wants to. But I have to show you. I I have to use a breathing machine now when I sleep. I've got it all tangled up, but yeah. Yeah, I have to wear that now. Just when I sleep. Mm, I feel like I could sleep all day again. I gotta get up and do stuff. That's things I need to do. But I'm just so sore. But I'll get her done. Yeah. Well, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I got stuff I need to do. And hopefully I get around to getting it all done before I get out. I just think I'm just weak. I don't. Them places do you more harm than they do good, I think. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I love y'all very, very, very much. And I hope everybody has a happy new year. Uh, so anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here before I start repeating myself, rambling on. I love y'all. Peace out. Bye.